So, good day everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, today I'm actually going to be showing you guys on how to use the H1 to H6 heading in HTML. So, in HTML, things you have to know is that there are actually 6 header tags, which are the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. And the way it actually ranks is H1 is actually the biggest, so as it goes down, H6 is actually the smallest. So now I'm going to be using the H tag, and you see the differences between all the heading tags. So this H1, so let's see how H1 is gonna be. This is how H1 is. So now let's go to H2. This is actually the H2 header 2 tag output is actually give us. So now let's go to the H3. And as you go on, now you can see it from H1, H2, and H3 is actually decreasing in sizes. And let's take it down to H4, and H5, and now H6. So you see the differences. And so as you can see, this is our heading 1, this one heading 2, our heading 3, our header 4, our header 5, and our header 6. So the header tag, so when you're actually naming, let's say the name of the website you want to actually put it, like the person that actually entering the website, the first thing they're going to see, you're going to be using this header tag to actually display your name in bold. So your name of the website actually be seen in bold, and it won't actually shrink like, let's say, the header 6. So thank you guys for watching to the end. Stay tuned for the next video, and make sure you hit on the subscribe button and hit on the notification button, and thank you very much.